Board Member Firestone.
Sure, I'll echo all of those comments, and thank you to staff and to folks in the community and also in the different organizations that work to get the legislation passed, and then work to develop the quick turnaround on this process. Wastewater, we don't have our own funding source like we do with SAFER. We don't have a needs assessment yet, so we're not at the same place with wastewater yet as I think all know that we need to be and want to be. But the community of East Rosie has been, I know personally, has been dealing with unsafe sanitation issues and just a breakdown in their wastewater system now probably for decades. And I think it's a really good example of the type of community that goes really falls through the cracks within our systems because it wasn't even enrolled in a regulatory program at all. And so, appreciate the Region 5, our regional board and enforcement staff that have worked to investigate to make the findings and necessary follow-up to identify the problems and violations. But I just think as we continue to work with folks that commented today, as well as just stakeholders across the state, there's just a real challenge in trying to make sure that we're able to identify and work with these communities that really have fallen through the cracks and are bearing the worst brunt of a lot of these challenges. So I'm really excited about the wastewater needs assessment. I hope that we ultimately get to a place where we have a funding source that can match SAFER. I also just appreciate the need to move really quickly with East Rosie in particular. Look forward to the continued dialogue around how we evolve this. Thanks.